If you've ever wanted to manage tracking codes without constantly chasing a developer, Google Tag Manager is your best friend, and opening it is easier than you think. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to access Google Tag Manager in 2025 so you can hit the ground running with your tags, triggers, and tracking setups. To start, open your browser and head over to tagmanager.google.com. This link takes you directly to the Google Tag Manager dashboard. It's worth bookmarking the page so you can jump back in quickly, especially if you handle multiple websites or check in regularly. Once the page loads, sign in using the Google account connected to your Tag Manager access. If you use more than one Google account, take an extra second to pick the right one. Choosing the correct account ensures you see the proper permissions and the containers you're meant to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your main Google Tag Manager interface. Here you'll see a list of containers associated with your account. Think of a container as a central hub for all tags, triggers, and variables tied to a specific website or app. If you manage different sites, each one likely has its own container, so pick the one you want to work on. Once you select a container, you're officially inside. From here, you can add new tags, adjust triggers, or review and edit variables. Tags are small pieces of code, like tracking pixels or analytics scripts that collect data and send it to platforms such as Google Analytics. Triggers control when those tags fire. For example, when a button is clicked or a page loads. Variables store the values your tags and triggers need to function properly. Before publishing any adjustments, make sure to use the preview and debug feature. This lets you test everything in a safe environment so you don't accidentally impact your live site. A quick check here can save a lot of troubleshooting later. And just like that, you've successfully opened and navigated Google Tag Manager. Once you get comfortable with the interface, managing tags becomes faster, cleaner, and much more flexible. If this guide helped you feel more confident using Tag Manager, stick around for more quick tutorials that simplify your digital workflow. Drop your questions or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using GTM. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.